I went and picked this up from 24-hour kiosk, this verkkokauppa.com. You can shop like middle of the night, first time using it, and it worked perfectly. So I got the new RF 24-70 lens with me to the trip. Excited. Now it's time to leave the car and go to the port. So the situation is that there was 8 people over Phuket and we were like 2 of them. So we got like first 200 euros to take the next plane, which is like just like 2 hours later. And now they just decide for some reason that the system said they pay us 400 euros, so double this per person, so 800 euros. So this trip looks pretty awesome on that point, except 1 hour of sleep makes me super tired. Yeah, let's see if we get away from Finland today or tomorrow. But yeah, that's nice bonus. First timing. There's so much noise. This is first time using my EOS R and the new 24-70 aeroplanes to do my selfie video. Looks good on the monitor next to the lens. Nice. We have no idea what to do, so maybe take a ferry to the Valletta, Old Town, or boat trip. But there is like raining all the time and so dark skies, so not sure if we wanna get wet. See. No idea. so something about Malta. We been here like our second day, which is more like first day, because we came yesterday like 5 p.m. and we were like so tired. We slept only 1 hour and our neck was hurting and stuff. Yeah, we went to the Valletta, the capital city, and it is pretty amazing actually. It looks nice, except narrow streets, and it takes time to go point B to point A to point P. And the public transportation goes almost everywhere. It is pretty cheap. You get these cards like 21 euro, 7 days unlimited, or 15 euros and 12 single use. It's 2 euros, 2 hours usage. But only like 15 kilometers took 1 hour, which is like 10 minutes back home, because there's like 25 stops and they go so zigzag and the roads are narrow and people drive like crazy. But except if you don't take that account, we didn't see any car crashes, or bumpers were fine. There wasn't any scratches on the cars, so it was okay. But yeah, so if you come here, take time for going places. It takes a lot of time, but other than that it was fine. It was super rainy and cold, so take clothes with you if you go off season, like we are at November. In our room there is so little light, if you can even see my face. Yeah, Malta is worth coming here, but I'm probably not gonna come back never again. This is enough. There is better and cheaper places to go. The prices are near same than in Finland, and Finland is expensive, so think about that.